As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Dogecoin cost will hit $1 by the center of 2024 and afterward $0.2 toward the finish of 2027. Dogecoin will ascend to $3 inside the extended time of 2033. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $8.61, so the cost diminished by 4% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $565 and the year-to-year change plus 74%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 82%. In 2024, we hope to see $90 per one Dogecoin. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $676. In the last part, the cost would lose $68 and close the year at $608, which is plus 87% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Monday, Feb. $26.0863. Tuesday, Feb. $27.0866. Wednesday, Feb. $28.0868. Thursday, Feb. $29.0871. Friday, blemish $1.0874. Saturday, blemish $2.0876. Sunday, blemish $3.0879. Monday, blemish $4.0881. Walk $15.09. April $15.0991. May $15.1870. June $15.1E151. July $15.12221. August $15.284. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.11608 to $1.4045, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.608, then take off to $1.674 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.653. That implies plus 92% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.4045 to $3.379, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.2445, then take off to $1.2462 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $600. It is about plus 202% from today. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $788, so the cost diminished by 12% from the start of the year. The Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.318 and the year-to-year change plus 47%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $2 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $411. In the last part, the cost would lose $857 and close the year at $23.54, which is plus 72% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.354 to $1.55, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.354, then take off to $1.409 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.391. That implies plus 77% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.55 to $1.1841, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.55, then take off to $1.69 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.85. It is about plus 177% from today. 11524. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $7, so the cost diminished by 10% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.13 and the year-to-year change plus 24%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 38%. In 2024, we hope to see $837 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $1.69. In the final part, the cost would add $0 and close the year at $0.69, which is plus 57% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.18269 to $0.18401, which is up 10%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $0.18269, then dip to $1.181 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.8236. That implies plus 53% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $0.18401 to $1,000, which is plus 43%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $0.10401, then take off to $0.18376 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $0.453. It is about plus 80% from today. Swans are 1 2s into 4. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $8.92, so the cost diminished by 1% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.2368 and the year-to-year change plus 52%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 53%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.29 per one Dogecoin. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $0.2437. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0124 and close the year at $0.561, which is plus 75% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.12561 to $0.18724, which is up 10%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.18561, then dip to $1.18452 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.2519. That implies plus 70% from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $0.18724 to $1.12461, which is plus 43%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $0.724, then, at that point, take off to $0.18693 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.788. It is about plus 101% from today. 12,150,2023. Dogecoin value forecast 2023-2024. Dogecoin cost began in 2023 at $0.698. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $0.963. So the cost expanded by 38% from the start of the year.